Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna teach you all about the supercomputer. So without wasting time, let's start. Before starting my presentation, I want to share little intro. Topic name supercomputer, subject name computer science, degree name BS Environmental Science first semester, submitted to my respected teacher Dr. Salam, submitted by Fizan Rashid, roll number 20 Alec 3293. Table of contents. Well, we learn in this topic definition of supercomputer, history of supercomputer, uses of supercomputer, supercomputer challenges, operating system of supercomputer, processing speed, advantages of supercomputer, disadvantages of supercomputer, and top 5 supercomputer. Definition of supercomputer. A supercomputer is the fastest type of computer. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require large amount of mathematical calculations. History of supercomputer. The history of supercomputing goes back to the early 1920s in the United States with the IBM at Columbia University and a series of computers at Control Data Corporation (CDC) designed by Samuel Cray. The CDC 6600 released in 1964 is generally considered the first supercomputer. Uses of supercomputers. Supercomputers are used for highly calculation intensive tasks such as problems involving quantum mechanical physics, weather forecasting, climate research, molecular modeling, physical simulations. Military agencies and scientific research laboratories make use of supercomputers very heavily. Some common use more of supercomputer in industries. Predicting climate testing, nuclear weapon chain, recreating the Big Bang, forecasting. Number 1. Predicting climate change. The challenge of predicting global climate is immense. There are hundreds of variables from the reflectivity of the Earth's surface to the wedges of ocean currents. Dealing with these variables requires supercomputers. Number 2. Testing nuclear weapons. The Stockpile Stewardship Program uses non-nuclear lab tests and computer simulation to ensure that a country's cache of nuclear weapons are functional and safe. In 2012, IBM planned to unveil a new supercomputer at National Laboratory in California. According to IBM, this machine will be capable of performing 20,000 trillion calculations each second. Number 3. Recreating the Big Bang. The Big Bang researchers have also used supercomputers to simulate the formation of the first galaxy. The Big Bang, or the initial expansion of all the energy and matter in the universe, happened more than 13 billion years ago in trillion degrees Celsius temperature, and only supercomputer simulation make it possible to observe what went on during the universe's birth. Number 4. Forecasting hurricanes. These computers make use of virtually all the observational data that the NWS collects. From this data, the supercomputers are able to help predict every kind of weather hazard imaginable, including hurricanes, tornadoes, extreme heat, and even space. Supercomputer challenges. Number 1. Supercomputer generates large amount of heat and therefore must be cooled with complex cooling system. Number 2. Another issue is the speed at which information can be transferred or written to a storage device, as the speed of a data transfer will limit the supercomputer performance. Number 3. Supercomputer can consume and produce massive amount of data in a very short period of time. Operating system of supercomputer. Most supercomputers run on a Linux or Unix operating system, as these operating systems are extremely flexible, stable, and efficient. Supercomputers typically have multiple processors and a variety of other technological tricks to ensure that they run smoothly. Processing speeds. Supercomputer power is rated in flops. Flops stand for floating point operations per second. The first commercially available supercomputer reached speed of 10 to 100 million flops. The next generation of supercomputer is predicted to break the petaflop level. This would be represent computing power more than 1000 times faster than a teraflop machine. A relatively old supercomputer such as Cray C90 has a processing speed of only 8 gigaflops. It can solve a problem which takes a personal computer a few hours in 002 seconds. Advantages of supercomputers. Number 1. Can decrypt any password. As supercomputers have much faster speed, so it can guess any password. It can decrypt any phrase or password used in a computer or any other device. Number 2. Environmental safety. Sometimes it is not possible to do real-time testing like testing nuclear weapons and medical testing. So supercomputers allow us to perform tests scientifically which is safe for surrounding environment. Number 3. Cost efficiency. Companies that require fast work and more efficiency in work get supercomputer on a part-time basis. By doing this, a company can save money and time also. Used for filming. To make complex animation in movies, the supercomputer is also used. It can foster the speed of rendering the animation and give. Number 5. High processing time. The processing time of a computer is calculated in flops, floating point operations. The normal home computer can process from 10 to 100 gigaflops per second, while supercomputer is 100 to 1000 times faster than a home computer. The supercomputer can complete tasks in seconds, where a normal computer takes hours or days to. Disadvantages of supercomputer. Number 1. A lot of electricity used. A supercomputer requires a lot of electricity to run. A supercomputer like Summit can consume energy equal to 5,000 houses. Number 2. A lot of areas required. It requires a lot of space to place supercomputer. For example, the Summit required 5,600 square feet of. Number 3. Trained staff needed. To do maintenance of supercomputer, it requires trained people. A normal computer technician cannot operate on a supercomputer. Some other disadvantages of the supercomputer are: they heat up quickly due to large number of processors and load on devices. Sometimes the bandwidth of data not matched with the hard drive storage, so the speed of the processing is disturbed. It is very expensive to build supercomputer, and maintenance of supercomputer is also very expensive. It costs more than $1,000 to rent a supercomputer for an hour, and some supercomputer cost in $1,000,000 for electricity expense per year. Due to heat up problem, more devices get damaged quickly, so replacing our devices is also the other disadvantage. Top 5 supercomputers. Number 1. Tennessee 2. Specification. There are total of 3,120,000 intercores and 1.404 petabytes of RAM, making Tennessee 2 by far the largest installation of Intel CPUs in the world. Each computer node has a total of 88 GB of RAM. It has 125 cables. It cores about 3,120,000 cores, and its power generation is 17.6 megawatt. Number 2. Titan Oak Ridge. Titan specification. Total having 200 cables, more than 20,000 trillion calculations per second, having total 2,99,008 CPU cores. Total CPU memory is 710 terabytes, having 18,688 compute nodes. Number 3. Sequire 2016. Specification. Manufactured by IBM. Cores 1,572,864 processor cores. Power generation limit 7.9 megawatt. The compute nodes are 16 core PowerPC, 8 processor chip with 16 GB of DDR3 memory, 96 RAM containing 98,304 compute nodes. Number 4. K Computer. K Computer specification. The K Computer contains 864 cabinets for a total of over 640,000 cores. Each cabinet contains 96 computing nodes. Each computing node contains a single processor and 16 GB of memory. The computer water cooling system is designed to minimize failure rate and power consumption. K had a set record with a performance of 8.162 petaflop, making it the fastest supercomputer. K computer has the most complex water cooling system in the world. It generates power 12.6 megawatt. Number 5. Meller Blue Gene/Q specification. The Blue Gene/Q compute chip is 18 core chip and run at 1.6 GHz. 16 processor core are used for computing and 17 core for operating system asset function. The 18 core is used as a redundant spare used to increase manufacturing yield. Meller having total of 1024 compute node, 16,384 user core and 16 TB RAM. It cores about 7,86,432 cores. It runs on power of 3.9 megawatt. Thank you for listening. Hope you like this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.